everyone! Welcome uli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng Korean Japchae. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, isa-soak muna natin yung Sotanghon dito sa tubig. Ililive natin to for 30 minutes. Ang ating next step, may ma-marinate naman natin yung beef. I-add natin yung 2 to 3 cloves ng grated garlic, 2 tablespoon ng sesame oil, 1 tablespoon ng sugar, 1 tablespoon ng soy sauce, at half tablespoon ng Mirin or Rice Vinegar. Mix it well. Make sure na well-coated ang ating beef. Ang ginamit kong beef ay rump steak. Leave it for 30 minutes to marinate. Ang ating next step, mag-preheat lang tayo ng tubig dito sa ating saucepan. Mag-add lang ng pinch of salt. Hintayin lang natin ng bago kumulo. Then, i-add na natin yung spinach. Depende sa inyo kung gaano karaming spinach ang ilalagay nyo. Ililive natin to blanch for 1 minute. After 1 minute, hahanguin na natin yung spinach. At ita-transfer natin ito sa isang bowl na malamig na tubig, para hindi matutuloy yung pagluto. And then, squeeze lang natin yung ating spinach para ma-remove yung water. And then, we will set this aside. Para naman sa ating sauce, paghahaluin na natin yung 1/3 cup soy sauce, yung 1/3 cup honey or sugar, i-add ko na rin yung pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon ng toasted sesame seeds. Haluin lang natin itong maigi and we will set this aside. Next, mag-preheat lang tayo ng pan with a drop of oil. Spread out lang natin yung oil. And then, stir fry natin yung onion. Stir fry lang natin for 2 minutes. And then, after 2 minutes, i-remove na natin sa pan and we will set this aside. Using the same pan, mag-drop ulit tayo ng oil. Spread out natin. And then, stir-fry naman natin yung bell pepper. Maglalagay lang tayo ng pinch of salt. Then, haluin natin. The same thing, mga 2 minutes lang natin tong i-stir-fry. And then, after 2 minutes, transfer na uli natin sa isang bowl and we will set this aside. Again, using the same bowl, yung namang carrots ang ating i-stir fry. Mag-add lang uli kayo ng pinch of salt. And drop of oil. Stir fry uli natin to for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, remove na natin sa pan, transfer natin sa isang bowl, and we'll set this aside. Using the same pan, mag-drop ulit tayo ng konting oil. At At stir-fry naman natin yung mushroom. Pwede kayong gumamit ng shiitake mushroom or button mushroom. Again, nag-add lang ako ng pinch of salt. Stir-fry for another 2 minutes. And then, after 2 minutes, i-remove natin sa ating pan, transfer sa isang bowl, and we'll set this aside. Again, another drop of oil dito sa ating pan. Spread it out. Dito sa ating egg, maglagay lang ng pinch of salt at ibibit natin. Ipa-fry natin yung egg na parang pancake. Yan, pagka ganitong luto na yung egg, pwede na natin itong hanguin at i-transfer natin sa isang plate. And lastly, mag-add tayo ng 1 to 2 tablespoon ng oil at i-stir-fry natin yung marinated beef. Ang beef na ginamit ko dito ay rump steak. Pwede din kayong gumamit ng sirloin. Stir-fry natin to for 5 minutes. Pagka ganitong luto na yung beef, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating naunang stir-fry na vegetables. Sayang kasi yung lasa nung nasa pan. Then after this, we'll set this aside. Mag-preheat naman tayo ng water dito sa ating pan at ilalagay na natin yung na-soak nating sotanghon. Lulutuin natin to for 2 to 3 minutes. Check nyo na lang yung noodles. Ganitong luto na yung noodles, hahanguin na natin, i-drain natin, and we'll set this aside. Itong ating egg, ifo-fold lang natin para mahiwa natin siya ng pa-strips. Then, set aside uli natin. Ito na yung ating sotanghon sa isang malaking bowl. I-add muna natin half nung ating sauce. And then, haluin natin. Tatansyahin nyo na lang yung sauce. Add na natin yung cooked vegetables and beef. Stir fry. Again, mix it well. And then, pwede na natin i-add yung egg. Mix it well and i-add nyo na yung remaining ng sauce. Make sure na well incorporated lahat. And there you have it, our Korean japchae. Sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.